Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet once again, it's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key. I'm back with another video, and I know I'm looking real ratchet right now, but it's okay. I'm wanting to show you guys how I have been using this aloe vera plant. As you guys seen my video on yesterday, I posted using the aloe vera plant for detangling my hair. Well, I had leftovers, and so I wanted to show you guys what I did with it, okay? So this is two ways that you can use the aloe vera on your hair as a detangler and as an oil moisturizer, as a leave-in conditioner, or whatever you may want to call it, okay? So the first, well, let's start with this one, because this one is actually the leftovers that I had in the cup, in the jar that I used with the inside of the aloe vera. So this is what I had left over, you guys, and I just put it in the blender, and this is the way that it came out, okay? Very much liquid. Is giving me very much aloe vera juice, which you guys know I usually just purchase the jug of aloe vera juice. Well, the leftovers, I put it in the blender, and this is what it came out to be. So I'm going to detangle my hair with this, you guys, and then with the outer side of the aloe vera plant, which is, I don't know if you call it a leaf or the actual, just the greenery of it, the outside. I didn't want to just trash it so soon. So what I did was I got some olive oil. I put it in a pan on top of the stove, you guys, like a skillet, okay? I just kind of heated it up a little bit. And then I put the plants and then the aloe vera in there as well. And then this is what it came out to be. So I'm just going to oil my scalp with this one here. And then I'm going to spray my hair fully with this aloe vera juice. Okay, so we're going to get right into that. I plaited my hair, you guys. And y'all know I've been wearing that headband wig. So usually what I do is I just kind of gel this down and just kind of put it behind my ear or twist it up, either way. So I definitely do have a little bit of definition, which I really do admire. I really do like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on my hair. And I'm assuming because it's so thick that it's kind of hard to come out, but let's see. Maybe there's like a chunk or something that is not allowing it to come out. Okay guys, so I had some technical difficulties, but I'm back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just spray from the top to the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to detangle this, and then with my aloe vera oil that I made, I'm going to squeeze some on my scalp. And just kind of rub it in. And then we're going to move on to the next section. So guys, I am definitely noticing a lot of growth. This aloe vera juice is also defining my curls, if you can tell. My hair is usually dry, and this, you guys, I must admit, has to be the secret key, okay, to these curls. So now we're going to move on to the next section. I'm just going to unravel this, kind of pull it apart, and spray it from the roots to the ends. I like it to be soaked, you guys. And then I'm going to use this, oil my scalp. Y'all, this aloe vera juice, it doesn't stink, but it does have like a funny kind of smell. So I don't know if you want to be walking around smelling like aloe vera juice. The length is looking real good. My hair is thickening. And I like that, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna speed up the process, you guys. Okay, so I'm on this section right here. I've already done this. As you can see, my hair is really juicy, you guys. Really juicy. So I was thinking this method with the actual aloe vera plant is very time consuming. I know that it's more natural because the aloe vera juice has, you know, preservatives or additives or other ingredients in it, but y'all, this is kind of a lot because you have to cut it up, you know, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to blend it, and it's very time consuming. So you have to be really in tune with, you know, wanting to see results and wanting to use the actual aloe vera plant to kind of get your hair to grow. So it's totally up to you, you guys. I mean, like I said, the actual aloe vera plant will be more natural, but I'm okay with using the aloe vera juice. So I'll probably, you know, do both, kind of switch it up every now and again, but I'm definitely going to stick with using my aloe vera juice, because this is just, it just takes too much time. But I still want to show you guys how I'm using it. So I'm just gonna go to this next section right here, and then I'm just going to spray and just repeat the cycle. Okay, you guys, so my hair is drenched in this aloe vera. So I want to show you guys simply what my curls and everything is looking like. It's looking real juicy right now. Now, with this being said, you guys, with my hair being fully drenched in this, now there's multiple ways that you can do this aloe vera, okay? So many ways. Now, usually what I do is I spray the aloe vera juice on my hair, I twist it up, take my shower, call it a night, okay? You can also use it as a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, or you can use it as a pre-poo. You can leave this on your hair, kind of deep condition it, put a plastic cap on your hair, leave it on there for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour, and then wash your hair, wash it all out. or like I said, you can just keep it in there. It's solely up to you. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.